You see, regarding this project, Evangelist Buka and Self Ministry Commission today in Anambra State, I was going through social media this afternoon, and I was seeing some comment of people, trying to belittle his effort. Some people are pushing a kind of narrative that Ejikwero hospital or whatever in Imo State, then Anambra eba na etin diara ebe ndị si na adịọ mma na anọ mana Imo State ebe dị mere mega city na and all those blah blah blah. And I saw some people trying to push those narrative. The thing is that you see anybody that will come out and try to criticize or mess the whole effort Evangelist Buka and Self Ministry put together to build that project in Anambra State, despite not coming from Anambra, that person need ike wuru okute kugidia we kubuo. If onye ọra ya apụta si n'ọka ko si na ejikwe ogene ka ọrụ. I saw a comment, somebody was saying this one, that one, is it the first that we are going to government? Is it the first that building whatever? Anybody that will come out to make such statement, or those of you that are making those statements, putting those confusion in the minds of people, deserve ukeworo okute weru 2 by 2 kugidegi kubuogi ke woro we he den do eme. I can bet you that nobody, no clergy, call it prophet, call it whatever, that come from Anambra we ever take such project or something like this to another state. I was born and raised in Anambra. I'm from Anambra by birth, I can tell you that if some of this Indian Anambra, I'm not trying to generalize now, only some blogger they push this narrative. I can bet you that now them can never, let's say God bless them today to be in a level of Evangelist Buka and Self Ministry, can never take such kind gesture out of their own state. Ndị Anambra ọ na-eme ihe ekpere na-eme ọkwa nke dị na ihe ọ na-azọ ihe kwesịrị inye anyị, ihe kwesịrị inye anyị. Ha azọtaghị ihe kwesịrị inye anyị, talk more of ibupụ to another state. Ọ na-abụgo for them put on social media na si na ndị Igbo, especially all these useless bloggers na nke ikpeazụ ka onye buru unu ọnụ. Who caused you people that made you to be foolish and stupid to the extent of you can't even appreciate somebody, at least for once in your life, for once in your damn fucking life? Like seriously, those ones who can Ndioka, when they rush to build a kind of what I don't know, they went to build 2 bedrooms and parlor, calling it free hospital, trying to make issue with it. But you see a project that contains 500 beds, and you are trying to mess the whole effort up with your stupidity on social media. Ndio waburono. I bet you that no one Anambra name or pastor or whatever that can ever carry free project or whatever out of that state to another state. It shows that Evangelist Buka is from a different world. He can decide to focus on his state, Imo State, and be building whatever he want to build there. Call it project, call it free, whatever. Like, it's his right to do whatever he want to do. But to tell you that this man is from another world, he tried to extend it. Emakuye wero free place, eba ne piki, eba ne dosindi. isina the homma within the and treating money for free. The kind of project that contains 500 beds. Do you know what it is? You may go on that project in a food dairy. And some of you put a man more each go Facebook or cause stupidity, call iberibe, call na bugo go on, you won't have brownie bruise course on a body. Why don't know na social media? Chineke akpo unu oku. Why don't know unugu? Chineke akpo unu oku. You guys know yourselves. I don't want to call anybody's name, but you know, say these days I don't have time. I don't want to engage much on this saga of 18 anymore because I don't have that fucking time. You know, only kind of trend of, should I say, saga when you keep on. But all this nonsensical issue or trend or opinions, some of you idiots now parade on social media. I don't have time for those shit. You know, that's why I will just come out and do my thing. I'll be looking at all of you. But this particular one, like I said in the beginning of this video, onyo unaga puta kuto or say ejike ona Omega City Imo State oburu Anambra ka na ebute ebe ana azu ndara kwesike jidia woro okute kugidia kubuo ya ka onwo onwe ihe ọ dị ndụ eme. You guys should have a nice weekend. God